Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add body effects to your video on the CapCut application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, just open the app and just open a project. New, if you want to add body effects to your video, just go to the lower bar and you can find the effects button next to the overlay. Click that and just tap to the second button, the body effects. Here you can find the different effects for different thematics. For example, clone, glowing lines, hallucinations, superpowers, and just select one if you want to use that, and if you finish, click to the OK button.
If you get lost
at the lower right corner of the screen, and that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.